Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys could tell by the background, I am not at my house. I am actually at a Airbnb, and if you guys hear my little sister in the background, just ignore it because she's just being herself like a little 4-year-old is. So we are staying at the Airbnb, and I wanted to give you guys a tour of the house because I really like it. I love it, and I was trying to be like a fashion guru or like one of those lifestyle gurus right here, because this house is like, it says YouTube guru, it says like beauty guru vibes, because everything's like so decorated like nicely, and it's like all white. Everything's white right here. The walls are white, the counters are white. So I just had a fail, and I'm just gonna take you guys through my day. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you guys what happened, and then I'm gonna give you guys a tour, and then I'm gonna just take you through the day here at the Airbnb. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to comment what you thought about the video or what you thought about the Airbnb. And yeah, so let's get right to the video. My sister trying to troubleshoot the Keurig. I don't know how it works either. So,
Already tried it.
Lupita trying to troubleshoot still. 5 days later, nah. 2 days later, a million years later, and the Keurig don't work. If anybody knows how to troubleshoot this thing, comment down below. And then I'm gonna make some breakfast right now.
Sé que nos peleamos, que a muchos somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien.
We have everything we need. We have cups, everything. My sister's still trying to troubleshoot the Keurig. I told her to give up. And then she's making breakfast. And then we have the pots and pans. And then we have a blender. And then I think this is another coffee maker. Lupe, this one's a coffee maker, right? And then the blender. And then the microwave. And then here's the refrigerator. We haven't gone grocery shopping yet. This is a supplies closet, and this is the laundry. It takes freaking long. These new washers take hella long. They take like an hour. And we have detergent here, so that's why I love the Airbnbs. What did you make for breakfast, Lupe? This is your breakfast?
My bagel. Yeah, it turned off again. Turned off.
1,000 years later, trying to fix the Keurig. Lupe eating healthy. A ver, show him how much weight you lost. A ver, turn around. Dang. Lupe lost weight with me. We are on a healthy lifestyle journey. What is it? Normal? Unlock the door. The door is locked. Lupe to the rescue.
What was this like? What the heck?
The smart laundry. Technical difficulty with I was struggling with it.
dog, man.
Karen.
Open it, pass me the clothes.
Okay, we're gonna do laundry now. These new washers are complicated. I barely figured it out. But it's so new to me how it has a play button instead of like just a spinner, and it starts. And it takes about an hour to do it. Another one takes about 35 minutes. So this is my room. It has a bathroom. It has the sink right here, and I have all my stuff. Sorry guys for the mess. And I really like those 3 lights because I could do my makeup. And then there's towels. And this is the bathroom. It's like a basic bathroom, but it doesn't matter. I like it. I like it. And then there's like a window right there, and then the toilet's over there. I'm not gonna show you guys the toilet. The toilet's in the corner over there, and I'm gonna show you guys my room. So this is not my room, but this is actually like they have extra pillows, and then there's like a thing to iron, just in case I want to planchar. I don't know how to say it in English, but I usually don't use the plancha. I usually just steam my clothes because it's much more easier. And then this is the room that I'm staying in. I have a mess. Sorry guys. I didn't unpack yesterday, but I really like this Airbnb because of the bed frame. It reminds me of my bed, and then the bed is foam, and then also they have like a little painting right there, like that's so nice. And then they have the blinds. I like that too. Like I really like how this was decorated, and then the floor, like it's really cute. And then they have like a fan. It's really nice. Whoop, it went blurry. So I really like where I'm staying at right now. It's really nice. Comment what you guys think down below. And also, if you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss a video by me. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep showing you guys the house. And yeah, I'll probably post this later, like later when I'm not here. You know, because stalkers, I don't want to get stalked. And yeah, so let's go to the other side of the house. So this is the dining table. I like how it's decorated nicely, and then there's like chairs in case like there's other guests. And then they have the blinds, and then they have this clock. I like how it's like not a creepy clock. Like I know there's some creepy clocks like that are old fashioned, and I don't really like those, but this one's nice. And then they have like a painting right here. It's really nice. And then the counter, and then my family's right here, they're cooking. And so this is the living room. Right now it's a little bit of a mess. My sister's watching Barbie, and then these are the chairs. They're really comfortable. And this is just a supplies closet, and this is another closet. This is another closet. And then we have the Wi-Fi password. Sorry guys, my sister's excited. Home sweet home. And then I really like how this mirror's right here. And then this is where my sister's staying at. Oh, sorry guys for the mess again. These are the blinds, and then there's a little painting, and then the bed, and there's like a closet right here so they could put their stuff. And I really like how it's decorated and everything nice. And then this is the bathroom, and then that's my mom's room where she's staying. So this is the other restroom, and I really like how it's decorated. It's really nice. We already settled in, so. And then the shower, it's like the same thing as the other one. So let's go to my mom's room. But before we go, there's like a touch, how do I say it? The touch AC, so I don't have to press any buttons. It's all touch. So if I wanted to change the temperature, like to 74, I think we'll do like 60, 70, 76. Okay, it's on. This is my mom's room. It's like the same as other ones. Same bed, and then there's blinds, and then there's a ceiling fan, and then there's a closet so she can put her stuff. So this is the outside of the house. I just wanted some space so I could walk because I need to exercise. And then they have a grill under here. Hopefully we get to use it. And then they have like a little table right here. It's very nice. And then there's the neighbors. And then this is the back. I just kind of wish they had grass, but it's okay. As long as I could walk out here and exercise.